Hi everyone, I'm Anagha from Access Language School, and in this video let us discuss about DILF, DELF and DALF diplomas or examinations. Now what do you mean by these three terms? DILF, DELF and DALF are the only French language diplomas which is issued by the French Ministry of Education, and this is valid throughout your lifetime and is recognized all over the world. And also it helps you to or an individual to validate their own knowledge about the French language. Apart from this, the DELF and DALF examinations or diplomas helps you to work, migrate as well as study in a French language speaking nation. Now taking into consideration the first exam, that is DILF. DILF is meant for the absolute beginners or the non-native French speakers who is just into learning the French language, or it tests your basic proficiency in French language where the level A1.1 is judged. Or in other words, we can say that DILF is a doorstep or an inception stage towards DELF and DALF. Now what about the second one, that is the DELF examination or the DELF diploma. It's again an official qualification which is awarded by the French Ministry of Education, where the student would be judged from level A1 through level B2, that is DELF A1, DELF A2, DELF B1 and DELF B2. Now getting hold of this diploma would help you in order to pursue French careers or French jobs, also will help you in order to get into universities or work in universities. The third one is the DALF diploma or the DALF examination. This one is meant for the advanced learners of French language, and here the person would be judged from C1 level as well as C2 level. Now taking into consideration these three examinations, like all other language tests, it has 4 sections: reading, writing, speaking and listening. Each section contains 25 questions and each question carries 1 mark, therefore building a total of 100 marks. And unlike other language tests like IELTS and OET, here you will not be provided with a grade. Instead, you will be declared either as pass or as fail. And also, you can appear for this examination anywhere around the world. There are n number of test avenues which are present all around the world. So you can appear for this particular examinations depending upon your proficiency in French language. You can decide which exam or which diploma you should get. And the registration fees depends upon the test centers which you opt for or which you choose. So these are some of the important things which you should keep in mind or you should know about these 3 diplomas or these 3 examinations. It would be especially helpful as well as useful to those people who would like to pursue their career with regard to French language. Thank you.